Peacocks are fascinating creatures, known for their stunning plumage and unique behaviors. Peacocks are a type of pheasant, and the term peacock specifically refers to the male of the species. The female is called a peahen, and the young are known as peachicks. The Indian peafowl, the most well-known species, is scientifically named Pavo cristatus. There are also other species, such as the green peafowl and the Congo peafowl. The Indian peafowl is native to South Asia, including India, Sri Lanka, and Nepal, but they have been introduced to other regions. Peafowls can live up to 15 to 20 years in captivity, but in the wild, their lifespan is typically shorter, around 10 to 12 years. Peacocks are omnivores, eating a variety of foods including seeds, fruits, insects, small reptiles, and even small mammals. Peafowls are generally found in forested areas with open spaces, such as grasslands and agricultural fields, where they can forage and hide from predators. Peacocks have excellent color vision, which is crucial for them to display their feathers in a way that attracts potential mates. The male peacock's most famous feature is its extravagant tail, known as a train, which consists of long iridescent feathers adorned with eye-like patterns called ocelli. Peacocks can grow up to 5 feet long, with the majority of this length coming from their tail feathers. The males are much larger than the females. An adult male peacock can weigh between 8 to 13 kilograms, while females typically weigh between 2.7 to 6.3 kilograms. The peacock's tail feathers have distinct eye-shaped spots that are used during courtship displays. These eyes can sometimes number up to 200 on a fully developed tail. The peacock fans its tail feathers in a semicircular shape, which is a common courtship display. This fan is raised and vibrated to attract females. Peacocks are known for their loud calls, which sound like a high-pitched meow or alarm cry. These calls are used to communicate with others, especially to warn of predators. Like other birds, peacocks walk on 2 legs and are also excellent runners. Though they can fly, they usually only do so in short bursts to escape danger. Peacocks have a crest on top of their heads, formed by a group of feathers that can be raised or lowered, adding to their impressive appearance. Peacocks perform a mating dance where they display their tail feathers in a circular shape and shake them, making a rattling sound. The larger and more vibrant the tail, the more attractive the male is to the female. During courtship, a peacock may shake its feathers, strut around, and make calls to catch the attention of a female. The female peahen often chooses mates based on the size, color, and quality of the male's tail feathers. Male peacocks are polygamous, meaning they mate with multiple females. A single male may have a harem of several females. Female peafowls typically lay 3 to 5 eggs, which are incubated by the mother for about 28 days. After hatching, the peahen takes care of the peachicks and leads them to food and shelter. The male is usually not involved in rearing the young. Peafowls tend to form small groups or flocks, typically consisting of several females and 1 dominant male. Although peacocks are large and heavy, they are capable of flying short distances, often to escape predators or find food. The vibrant colors of the peacock's feathers are not caused by pigments, but by microscopic structures in the feathers that refract light, creating the iridescent blues, greens, and golds. The female peahen is much less colorful than the male. Her muted brown, green, and gray feathers help her blend in with her surroundings, which is important for protecting her and her eggs from predators. Like most birds, peacocks have a preen gland near the base of their tail, which they use to coat their feathers in oils for waterproofing and maintaining their luster. The male peacock's tail feathers are much longer than necessary for flight or function. Evolution has favored these large, ornate tails due to their role in attracting mates. Peacocks shed and regrow their long tail feathers every year, usually after the breeding season. This process helps maintain the feather's appearance and functionality. The quality and appearance of a peacock's tail feathers are often an indicator of its health and genetic fitness. Vibrant, well-maintained feathers signal a strong and healthy male. Peacocks face threats from predators like big cats, snakes, and birds of prey. Their ability to fly short distances and their strong vocal calls help alert them to danger. Peacocks have symbolic importance in various cultures. In Hinduism, the peacock is associated with the goddess Saraswati and the god Kartikeya, symbolizing beauty, grace, and abundance. They also appear in myths and legends worldwide, often representing beauty and elegance. These facts only scratch the surface of what makes peacocks such a fascinating species.